Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Flora Cozy review? If yes, then watch this video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review regarding this website. Let's check out the detail. Flora Cozy platform was made recently and has been known as an e-commerce site since 31st August 2021. The site supplies all of its products for sale worldwide. The company sells boots, jackets, pants, riding suit, riding jerseys, vests, tees, and basic items for boys and women. Additionally, as a buyer, you can order luggage through this site. The accessory sections of this portal displays hats and caps, bandana and gloves. They are offering you 30% off. Let's check out the specification of the site. It is HTTPS secure website. They are selling different products like jackets, boots, pants, shirts for men and boys. They have mentioned their email address, physical address, but no contact detail have been shared on the website. They have multiple payment methods. You can return the product within 14 days of your purchase. As far as refund is concerned, it can be discussed within 1 week with its original payment. From exchange policy, easy exchange policy have been shared on the site. Shipping as far as shipping is concerned, they are delivering worldwide. No social media icons have been shared on the portal. The positive point of Cozy.com are easy refund provided within a week. Different payment methods are available. The site is SSL approved. The negative point of FloraCozy.com are the company is only 28 days old. The site has a high percentage of scammers. The company misses its presence on social site. Alexa has ranked this company very low. No reviews are available right now. No detail about contact address is shown. The site gives unrealistic discount to the people. Is Flora Cozy legit? As we are checking out certain details, let's check out more. As far as its trust score is concerned, it is too low, that is just 1 out of 100. As far as comments feedback are concerned, they are not available on the portal. It has poor Alexa ranking. The content of the company seems copied. The address is not original as it is copied address. No social media details have been linked with this website. The discount available on the site looks unrealistic. As far as reviews are concerned, as we all know that it is a very young site, the portal lacks many legit facts like reviews of the customer. There is a possibility that the site might be a fake one. So we tried to find out its social media presence, but unfortunately we saw the site has no active pages over social media. So in conclusion, we can say that the site seems to be a very scammed and obvious site, so we are not recommending you at all because it is a bit risky. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and review right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.